Welcome to La Habra, California. I'm really excited today, not just because I'm listing this beautiful home behind me, because it's on a street called Lakeview. And I'm not excited about the street name, it's just if you go up the street, there's actually a lake down the street from this home. Israel, show them the lake and then show them the home. If you're thinking about buying or selling, or just need a private showing for this home, call me today and let's talk real estate strategy.